In front of me is LG V50 ThinQ, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, which is asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk. And as you can see here, we've got testing mode. It is performed by Google, and here you can check phone information and also user statistics. So you can reach phone info smoothly by tapping. This mode also allows you to run a ping test. Just mark it, and below you've got the answer. Then let's go back, and you can also check user statistics. So here you've got detailed information about your apps, and as you can see, you've got app name, then last time used, and also usage time. You can just pick the app that you want to check, and here you've got it. So let me go back. That would be all for this code, for the first one. Second is asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk. And here we've got the calendar info. So in this panel you will find all events and celebrations that are stored in your device's internal storage or on any account that is used in this device, that is logged in this device. As you can see here, we've got 33 events, and also from iPhone calendar we've got 4 events. So this is it. This is how you can reach it, and from now on you will not forget about any important celebration or birthday. And another code that you can use here is asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk. And here we've got the FCM Diagnostic Mode, where you can check events and also status. And if you want to reach advanced view, if you would like to reach more info, just tap on more icon and select advanced view. And here you've got it. So this is it. That will be all for this one. Let me go back. And it's time for the last one, the last that I would like to share with you today. And it's also the shortest code. It is asterisk pound 06 pound. And here it is. As you can see, IMEI number is right in front of you. So this is the way of very quick and easy reaching the IMEI number, the unique number assigned to your device. And this is it. That will be all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Enjoy and use them as often as you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.